guys, welcome to SAP. Today's video I'm going to introduce our LED door sill for Jetour G700. We designed it for 4 doors and tailgates. It's a practical upgrade, can improve safety when you get in or off the vehicle at night. And when you take off items from rear trunk at night, it can light up for you, and it can protect the original car door sill. As a luxury of your vehicle, if you upgrade our door sill, it will make your car look more luxury. And we designed the JT logo on it, enhance the recognizability of your vehicle. Our LED door sill is easy to be installed without any damage. Your vehicle has already reserved wiring position, so just plug and play. Okay, that's all today's video. Thank you for your watching. Follow us, I will show you more accessories for Jetour G700. Now let's go to see the using effective.